Discover the beauty revolution with Illuderma Serum, a comprehensive analysis. Are you searching for an innovative solution in the realm of skincare? Look no further, Illuderma Serum is here to transform your beauty routine. In this in-depth review, we will explore the exceptional benefits offered by Illuderma, highlighting why this serum is so acclaimed in the skincare scene. Illuderma Review, unveiling the magic of youth. Illuderma Serum stands out as a game-changer in the world of skincare. In this review, we will delve into the unique features that make Illuderma a phenomenon, addressing the real results experienced by users and the overall impact in combating signs of aging. Illuderma Serum, an inexhaustible source of benefits for your skin. The benefits provided by Illuderma Serum are truly remarkable. From the visible reduction of dark spots and wrinkles to the deep revitalization of the skin, this serum offers a comprehensive approach to a youthful appearance. Discover how Illuderma exceeds expectations, providing a real transformation in the health and vitality of your skin. Scientific validation, the secret behind Illuderma. Confidence in the power of Illuderma is grounded in solid scientific validation. Rigorous clinical studies support the claims of Illuderma Serum, highlighting the effectiveness of its innovative ingredients. The science behind Illuderma offers a deeper understanding of how this serum works in the deeper layers of the skin, delivering visible and long-lasting results. Visit the official Illuderma site to ensure exclusive benefits. Want to ensure the authenticity of your Illuderma serum and enjoy exclusive benefits? Visit the official Illuderma site to guarantee that you are acquiring the original product. There, you will find detailed information about the product, special promotions, and the quality assurance that only the official Illuderma can provide. Illuderma Guarantee, your satisfaction is a priority. Confidence in Illuderma is backed by a strong guarantee. We are so certain that you will be impressed with the results that we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If, for any reason, you are not completely satisfied, reach out. Your beauty and satisfaction are priorities. Experience Illuderma Serum today and discover the power of true skin transformation, backed by science. Don't waste any more time, embark on this journey to radiant and youthful skin with Illuderma.